So using flash, so this is the reason why you want to use flash, is because in a home, I took this with my cell phone just to show, you have different temperatures of light. And it just looks crazy. In this room, I was like, oh, geez. And so then this is what it ended up looking like after we applied the flash to it. Same thing here. This one is, I want to say this one's a bracketed. Yeah. Okay, so this one's normal exposure. We have underexposed, and we have overexposed. This creates your bracket shot, and then I do a bounce flash. And after color correcting this, I wish that, yeah, anyways, you heard me. After doing the white balance on this layer, because this is all one light source, everything is going to be corrected, and it's going to look like this. And so this is the corrected version that's neutralized with the flash, and that's why you want to use flash. So we go to this one, and you can see the different light sources now. So you have this light, you have the sunlight that makes it blue, you have the sunlight coming in from the back that makes this blue, you have this warm light. So you have all of these different light sources, okay? This is another bracket. So we have they're properly exposed, underexposed to expose some of the windows here, overexposed to get some of these darker end areas, and then we have the bounce flash, and then I do a pop flash here, and a pop flash here. And then we bring it all together and we can see through the windows clearly, and we can get everything properly exposed. Okay.
So on your website, oh, go ahead. Sorry. No, go ahead. I was just gonna say on your website you talk about doing the.
I don't talk about the technicalities behind it. Oh. I talk about the layering after you get the photos. Okay. So if you know how to get your bracketed shots and you know how to do the window pulls, go to my site and I'll show you how to blend those together. Okay. And there's actually a shortcut to do it. That's really cool. And now you'll still spend hours editing photos.
Does this process work with Photoshop Elements, or do you have to
I don't know. Because the main thing here is masking and making sure that your opacity is set at luminosity and darken. Those are the two that I use in Photoshop. So I use the masking tool and change my opacity to luminosity, and I also change one of my opacities to darken. Okay. So I'll show you here. So this is my darken layer, because what it's saying is anything that's dark in here, we want it to pop through here. Okay, because these are blown out, so it's going to take this layer right here and expose it through. So I'm doing darken layer on each of those pop flashes, and then my HDR layer, I'm taking it, the HDR layer, the 3 or 5 shot bracket, I'm putting it over the flash layer, and I'm turning this bracketed layer into a luminosity layer to say, okay, this layer, because it's HDR, we're only going to take the lighting and use it on the correct colors here. And then it pulls the correct colors here into the luminosity layer, and it just makes it look really nice.